Hi, welcome to Hemplucid University. My name is Nick Van Wy and I'm an account strategist here at Hemplucid. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Whole-Plant CBD. Hemplucid's Whole-Plant CBD is a full spectrum product, and as the name implies, it's extracted from the whole hemp plant. Our hemp is grown on state-registered farms to organic standards and processed in a registered food-grade facility. We use a supercritical CO2 extraction method that produces a clean product that's free of solvents and rich in natural synergistic compounds. This means our Whole-Plant CBD products contain not only CBD, but secondary cannabinoids, terpenes, and trace amounts of THC to deliver the full range of benefits offered by hemp. So you may be wondering, what's the difference between our Whole-Plant CBD and other full spectrum products on the market? That's easy. The difference is in our genetics. Our Whole-Plant CBD comes from a carefully bred hemp genetic that has been nurtured over a decade to produce the most diverse profiles of cannabinoids and terpenes hemp has to offer. These compounds work together to provide balance within the endocannabinoid system, creating what is known as the entourage effect. We further our commitment to nature and lucidity by pairing our whole plant extract with natural carrier oils and housing them in clear bottles to show we have nothing to hide. And if you have questions regarding the safety or purity of a Hemplucid product, third-party lab results are available online by lot code. We believe hemp stands at the heart of health, and by incorporating Whole-Plant CBD into your life, you are taking the first step towards experiencing life again. To learn more about the body's endocannabinoid system, the entourage effect, and just more about CBD, check out our other videos at Hemplucid University. I'm Nick Van Wy, an account strategist here at Hemplucid. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you check out the many other videos here at Hemplucid University. Thank you.